I started from bottom, now I'm up at the top. And I'm walking with cutters and I'm walking with Glocks. I go hard in the paint, that's why I stay on the block. I done wet that boy up, hit that nigga with the mop. Pull up on winning green, can't afford rent, so I'm sipping green. Try to get my money back so I get cheaper lean. Cousin pull up in the Vader, that's super clean. Uncle pull up in the Reaper, that's super green. Sauce, what I drip. Boss.
What's up with it, y'all? We are back at the touch, baby. And the Mac is almost there, man, to start paint. Well, I gotta go write these insurance claims. Not insurance claims, supplements for these insurance claims. And we gonna tear down the box today. Cause really, I'm at a stopping point. I'll probably work on my truck too. So block some stuff on my truck, get that ready. And then we gonna tear that box down, man. I'll probably do the most I can with what I know. I really forgot some shit from the last box we did, so I know it's be a whole bunch of shit on them old schools. It don't be simple, but anyway, yeah, I'm finna go do these estimates real quick. But yeah, check the Mac out. You know what I'm saying? I marked certain spots that we missed that we gonna go back and do. But, you know what I'm saying? The majority is there. I wouldn't have to motherfucking prime the whole thing if he wouldn't have fucked it up. But, we're doing it now. So,
Explain it.
So, we doing it. It's already done now, brother. Shit. But, shit, hopefully next week sometime, this motherfucker have some color on it. You know what I'm saying?
No.
You know what I'm saying? So, we gon' see. This muffin be butt naked today. I'm tearing this bitch down. Cause, yeah. Hey, it's 30 days till Whip Fest. As of today, it's 30 days till Whip Fest. You hear me? Hey, man, we gotta get some shit done. Sandy finna get done. You know what I'm saying? And at least prime so I could just block that. And I'm ready to paint my shit. Yep. But yeah, like I said, y'all, I'm finna go run and get these finna run and go do these supplements real quick. Cause it's the last little insurance job that I got right now between now and Whip Fest. As of now, you know what I'm saying? People like to pop up every other day. So ain't no telling when they gonna come or what the case may be. But while I got this open space and free time, yeah, I'm finna knock some of my shit out, and we finna knock some shit out on this box. So I'm gonna cut y'all back on when I get to the back to the shop. Now that I'm done doing that, it's time to bust this motherfucking down real quick. You know what I'm saying? It probably take me no time. I did a couple of them, so I know most of it. Woo! Well, yeah. Let's go ahead and get this show on the road, cause you hear me, man. We got to get started on this 30 days till Whip Fest. We gotta. I mean, it ain't got a lot of body work, but we need to do body work this motherfucker in between that time anyway. So yeah, let's get it. Okay, man. Y'all last little look. This is the last time y'all gonna see it together until they get painted. Then it's gonna get real. What you talking about? Yeah. Whatever. New top coming soon. You know what I'm saying? But number 2. Turn y'all back on. Shit, let me get this working. We're gonna get there. Hey man, I don't know who Granny or Paw who Granny or Paw talked them into putting this damn molding right here. No, this ain't it. It ain't it. I don't give a fuck if it was chrome black painted to match. No, this ain't it. Don't do this. It's ugly, you know what I'm saying? We gotta take these off. I need niggas to look down the shot like this. Yeah, that hoe straight. Stop playing with me. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? I ain't doing no tripping. So we ain't doing no tripping. They can get all up on it if you want to. It ain't gonna matter. But yeah, whoever put this, you got damn side motors on here like that. Man, y'all out of line. And don't tell me this factory, cause I don't think this factory. I don't think these came like that. If it did, y'all should be ashamed of yourselves. Chevrolet. Ugh. It's an old school thing. This look like some AutoZone trim. You know what I'm saying? So it look a lot to me. That's what I'm talking about. As soon as you touch down, let's get to work. He talking about, yes sir. Yeah, my man said, yo, we finna knock my shit out. You know, we been doing that last minute shit. Y'all get this down and sprayed, jams done, all that. Yeah. I've been saying you ain't gotta come all the way in. I've been saying you ain't gotta come all the way in so we could blow it off and whatnot. You know what I'm saying? I believe you could be done with body work today, brother.
Hell no.
Why not? It ain't that much.
That's a lot.
Bro, the dents ain't even there really. Besides up there. You'll be alright. You know what I'm saying? Grade some little low 180. And we gonna go to work. That whole video didn't.
Alright, man. This nigga told me to turn the music off because of goddamn copyright claim, but nigga ain't getting paid yet. Anyways,
hey, brother,
anyways,
it's good to have
alright,
good
brother.
practice.
Back on the real to real box, you know what I'm saying? I done fucked up. This rap ass nigga
It's
right
good to
here.
have good practice.
You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I'm getting starting on a little bit of work on the real box, you know what I'm saying? Something all you niggas need for the old school and new school and everything else in the life.
On this plastic thing.
Got Birdie Bird over here helping them out, man. Straight off the goddamn auction block, you know what I'm saying?
You say you off the auction.
We got the big green bitch back there. We got done sanding some shit now. About to get ready to prime some shit, so we. You know what I'm saying? I'm taking everything down. So he can be, you know what I'm saying, touch distinctly like he was before, you know what I'm saying? Just doing it again. You know what I'm saying?
No, the one they gave me for the show.
The red one?
Nah, the ones in Houston. It was a Houston game for the show. Blue.
He looked
That
like
big
him,
blue
like
one?
you know anything this nigga talking about.
I know.
You ain't seen that one? Man, that thing nice.
My boy over here looking like, watch out, Birdie Bird. My boy got the Mr. Brown knees going right now. I'm gonna set a huge fire for my nephew.
Mr. Brownie.
That's how you feel.
Fuck that.
I got it.
Alright.
What's up, lady?
You know what I'm saying? So, let's say he getting back to the box.
That's how you feel?
You know, get that done, you know. Put him in the game. I ain't worried about what that nigga over there talking about. You know what I'm saying? Knocking out the little shit on this motherfucking truck. So we get this bitch ready for primer. Hey man, I got the caps from Hubby. I want them hoes, man. Bring me 2 bands, man. 2,500, 2 bands, you know what I'm saying? I don't care either one. You know what I'm saying? I want some new wheels anyway. But I'm coming along, you know what I'm saying? Coming along. You know what I'm saying? Gotta do the ugly before you get to the good. Right, bit. I guess I'll pick this hoe up again. He's still in the same old spot.
Name it
Gonna be number 2.
Nah, it must
You
say.
said knee number 2? Oh, wow.
Alright, we out. Hey, brother Brown,
Fix your shit.
what you done did this time, Brother Brown?
Shit.
Why we gotta get all this extra ass shit for Brother Brown? My brother, you know how my brother do. He take off everything. You know, everything get taken off. No tape, no nothing. You know. But in the midst of trying to be that nigga, Mr. Brown, my nigga decided to be the smartest nigga in the world
I don't know.
So try to take that bitch off with that. Now, as we can see, this nigga done got this bitch stuck. We can't move. This nigga trying to do it the easy way. And then fucked up. Now we gotta go back through the hard way and fuck up off his easy way. What you gotta say, brother?
This shit's stupid.
Oh, now the shit's stupid. The shit wasn't stupid when you put it on there.
Well, I wouldn't.
Now you got Brother Bird trying to come back and fix my brother's mistakes, you know. I guess that's what they say is true. If the knees is white, the mind is not right.
Nobody say that.
I know, but it sounded good.
That nigga got, I don't know what that shit mean, but it sounds good.
It sound good. We got his brother, Mr.
What?
Brown, setting
Go
big ass
ahead.
pod.
I can't. I got loose in my
See, now my brother,
What you talking about?
you gotta help him do this shit,
that
man.
hoe stuck on there, man.
That hoe
Oh,
stuck.
you didn't put the vice grips on there and screw the bitch the other way?
It ain't working.
My boys got weak, dog.
He got weak.
He got weak, dog.
Well,
I'm camera shy.
sometimes this is what happens when you know,
Take
like,
everything
take
out.
everything out. And we respect it.
His brain fried right now. His brain is fried. And it got weak.
Either that or he hungry. You
got
had
weak.
your 4 for 4 today?
No.
See, that's what it is. Wendy's? Hey, you might need a sponsorship. That nigga there every day. Shit.
Calling me.
I'm mad at them right now. My junior bacon on the 5 biggie box.
Oh, they took my nigga.
It ain't 488 no more. My shit like 514.
Ooh.
5 something.
Hey man, it's called inflation.
Inflation now?
Inflation. You can spend an extra little 30, 40 cents, you know what I'm saying?
I ain't been there since.
It's alright, brother.
It may seem like that. Damn, man.
Ooh, my nigga out here putting a motherfucking muscle on that bitch.
Yeah.
Damn.
Man, they done paid the bumper.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Damn, bitch, I'm wide as fuck. Oh shit, he's stepping on shit.
Man, this motherfucker.
It's on there. I got it now, though.
But he did what he was supposed to do.
There you go, dog. He's still on you about that shit.
If you wait,
Oh, now we gotta wait as a people.
Yeah, JD, we gotta wait as a people now, you know. Before it was just you by yourself.
You know what I'm saying? Now
the
we
people.
gotta wait.
We the people.
That's it, he moving the arm. If he ain't moving the right one. He got what, 2 more bolts to get
I'm
to.
almost there.
And he can slide it over. You know, he got Brother Bird over here working.
Man, this damn,
Ooh, y'all see that?
this damn ratchet. I have to invest in some more wrenches around this bitch.
Hey man, I'm gonna cut y'all off, and hopefully by the time I cut y'all back on, this nigga done solved his problem. Alright people, we getting some action now, people.
Damn, that one on there.
Ladies, his hands look like that, so your purse can look like a Birkin. Hey, bro.
Oh, there you go. He loose
Yeah,
now.
we got in there.
And got loose and
Yeah.
loose. Got loose and loose.
God damn.
Let me do the same shit.
See, Senior got more space over there.
That motherfucker on there.
Ladies, he needs some punani.
You done went on the drive.
He done went on a drought, man. Hey Trey, that crazy bitch outside.
Man, we all playing, man. Could've did something with you out there.
Oh man. God damn. That shit glad that nigga got pants on. He'll be goddamn Brown Senior.
Baby D out there.
only this one. God, there you go.
You know what? We know what he be doing with that.
Look that motherfucker there now.
I'm cropping all this.
He is a motherfucker for that.
Did not crop this shit out, motherfucker. Hell, all the time you can joke on the nigga on the camera.
That he is holding that head.
I gotta get this nigga shit. Look at the intensity in the nigga face. Look at smart brother right here, you know. So he got the side with most space, you know, smart, you know what I'm saying? Hey, but you know what I'm saying? They getting you right, real to real, you know what I'm saying? They getting you right. They gonna have you at Gap Fest, you know what I'm saying? I don't know if you're gonna be gapping, but you're gonna be stunting, you know what I'm saying?
Damn.
You know what I'm saying? The box will be hard. We're just doing a little behind the scenes shit that you don't get to see every day. Just a little behind the scenes. Just a little mild tear down right now. You know what I'm saying?
You putting that grease on the
Just as usual, I want to get these black folks' opinion. Both of y'all. So again, we're doing another 1 month to Whip Fest crunch time. I thought we said we weren't gonna do that this year, but clearly niggas is niggas. So nigga number 2. Why are we waiting again?
I already know June 1st.
Because COVID came and stopped everything, man.
Nigga, that was 2 years ago.
No, nigga, that's the government issue.
I know why. Cause monkeypox. They go eat.
Oh shit. Again, you know what I'm saying? We on the motherfucking 1 month crunch time.
I put this in
Again.
But
Take the phone off.
Niggas gonna be in their car sleeping again. And I bet you we ain't gonna get the whip test about 2 or 3 o'clock in the afternoon, so.
No, we ain't doing that shit. Nope.
We already said we weren't gonna wait a month to get shit done and look at us.
We haven't.
We already behind.
No, his is just extra.
I wouldn't say.
I'm not talking about the box. We know when the box coming, you know what I'm saying? We got the box.
JD, you waiting on shipping and handling. That's what you was waiting on, shipping
Yeah,
and
nah.
handling.
I ain't waiting on none of that shit no more.
Not no more. Shit, before it was.
All my shipping has been handled over there. Shit.
Who else have we got?
Shit, you got. Let me cut y'all niggas.
Maybe I wasn't rushing.
Here goes. He an auction nigga, you know what I'm saying? Where y'all get most of y'all cars from.
That nigga JD cut down, boy.
What's wrong with that?
Shit, cause I know the behind the scenes of them hoes. And they ain't say what they say, what they is. Damn.
Ow.
Damn.
Snap the motherfucking boat.
That sound like the bed when I had a fat bitch on.
Downstroke. Boy, you better spray these hoes something. Damn.
Look at that face. The face of champions.
Oh, that's that sound. That's that, what's that?
That Trillville.
Yeah.
Some cutty. Give me some cut. Alright, you know what I'm saying? But
You gonna feel that boat?
No.
alright, Trey, you know what I'm saying? So at Distinctive Touch, you know what I'm saying? What all are we doing to the box, man?
Painting it.
Paint it.
Painting it.
I heard it's going with a nice color. I don't really know the full color, but you know what I'm saying? One of these days, he'll show y'all in black and white like a
Speaking
nigga.
of
always
colors, hey man. If y'all ever come here and y'all want something painted, right?
Hold on. Let's zoom in. Alright, there you go.
And y'all want something painted,
Yes, sir.
and you bring me pictures and shit like that, we use that shit as a reference to make it like the picture.
So are you
Like
talking about
that.
the nigga with 2 wheels?
And I mean that as
2
far as
wheels?
like,
You'll find out. Well, go ahead, brother.
when you bring that shit, we use that as a reference. We're not trying to make it. Why y'all niggas want to be exactly like the next nigga? You know what I'm saying? If you have a chart, if you have a box, right, and you see another box that's candy red, but it's like its own type candy red. It ain't candy red, but it's like it got something in it that make it different between the other candy reds. Okay, you like, well, shit, I want to be candy red, but like this nigga. Okay, we gonna make it like this nigga. That don't mean go get that nigga same exact candy red, the same goddamn rim, the same goddamn grill, same goddamn headlight, and all that shit. Stop doing that shit. Be your own man or woman, cause I know there's women out here. You know what I'm saying? Be your own man or woman, goddamn, and build your shit yourself. Stop going out fucking pictures y'all be seeing online and try to build the exact same shit.
That sound like some shit we need to crop and cut and put in DDFG.
That, like a motherfucker.
Cause there's a lot of copying ass
Them
niggas
niggas,
around
them niggas
there.
there, they got the same rims, except his is foes. His 24x10, your shit 24x12. Bitch, the lip don't make no difference. It's the same goddamn shit. You be having the same shit. So, you want shit painted? We gonna paint shit like it, the distinctive way. You know what I'm saying? Not that way.
This
If
nigga
you
went
want
on-
that way, then just take your ass over there.
This nigga went on a whole rant about other shit other than talking about paint and then come back to paint. Boy, these niggas different.
I'm just saying, that's part of it though. I'm just saying.
I mean, I get what you're saying though. You're right. You know what I'm saying?
Niggas do it with paint. I'm saying some niggas do it
Nigga
farther
take the
than
whole
paint.
car. Nigga take the whole car and say, fuck it.
The whole car. Fuck it. Yeah, I want everything you got. Where you get your speaker wires
Cause
from?
at one point I thought they only made just one Forger. All the Forgers I done seen look the same, but you know.
I don't know what the hell did. Mangellas or
Yeah, Mangello.
whatever the
Mangello,
fuck
some
they
shit.
is. Nigga, everybody and their granny got some.
Something else.
Forgies. You know, he got this big money Forgy right here, Big Forgy Bird, you know what I'm saying?
Forgy Bird.
Big Forgy Bird.
Bird.
We gonna change the jersey name, Big Forgy Bird. But we gonna spell it right this time.
You know something? If somebody come through, I will be Big Forge ever. Quit playing with me.
Oh, somebody. Oh shit.
Hold up the bill. I can't be holding up the bill.
They can't be holding up, huh?
Bill. Hold the bill.
Alright, but
Got
you know what I'm
everybody at the auction looking at me like, dog, I thought you gonna be done.
saying? We got the always representing, always stunting Reaper. You know what I'm saying? Looking good as usual. We got the car shit that ain't gonna never see a day of daylight unless that motherfucker just get in the wash and then push it right back in. So we don't know when he gonna finish that hoe. We waiting for him to finish it, but we don't know. You know what I'm saying? We are a wheels and tire dealer, as you can see. All them wheels and tires, you know what I'm saying? So come on, get all what you need. You know what I'm saying? Just took the bumper off. Look like we done for it, you know what I'm saying? So I get back up y'all when we get back up with y'all. Now we got 30 days left. Now nigga wanna start doing something. Nah, nigga, where the energy at last week? You know what I'm saying?
I got that motherfucker.
Straight.
He can deal with that headache because I ain't good.
Shit, me. Man, that's funny. Let's see how far we get. Goddamn. Got windows falling sideways and shit. We gotta go down to lift it up. This nigga here childish. You know what I'm saying? Goddamn. Look, man.
Oh, damn.
Hey, look. So you go.
That's funny. That.
All of it already.
Get that motherfucker. No,
I
that's
just
the metal
can't
clip,
get
nigga.
that shit.
They having those metal clips and shit. That bitch been out here for a while.
I'm missing something. Are you sure?
Yeah,
No, they gonna talk about you if you ain't right.
nigga, let the window down, nigga. I don't take the most out the window.
Put the window down. That is down.
No, that's down, goddamn. Ball down. Fall guy.
God damn it. Hey man. So this is one of our homies, you know what I'm saying? Homies of a homie, but he a homie though. But let me tell y'all. Hey, you got pictures of this shit? What it was before? You got pictures of this shit how it was before?
What?
I'm gonna insert a picture of how it used to look, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Hold on. Damn, JD, how much shit zoomed in and shit? I'm gonna show y'all how it looked before. Come on, look, man. You can see y'all. You know what I'm saying? This is the done. This finished. You know what I'm saying? Look at all this shit. Anyway,
Right there.
they told them pretty much they could fix it for half the price. I know this is a $850. I don't know what the fuck half the price mean on these hoes. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what the fucking half the price is. Anyway, so he told them to look at. Look, man, look at this shit. Anyway, so what was the half the price? 15K? 15K to fix it. I guess this to fix it. But anyway, y'all see how the gaps is. I don't know if y'all can see it in there, but yeah, that type shit. Anyway, man, fam, this is. Hey, these hoes cost $100. Hey, okay, this is $100,000 car, man. Why the fuck y'all let these folks put y'all's cars together, man? We goddamn. Hold on, where you like that? Where you like that, man?
Yeah, tie wrap.
Nigga ain't even got no screw in. Nigga could threw a 10 in that bitch or something. Nigga. Tie wrap right there. Damn, hold up. Look, nigga put the shit in there with a zip tie. Goddamn, you get the 2-pack, the 100-pack for $2. Goddamn, Jack.
Yeah, sheet metal screws.
The sheet metal screws. You know, bro, just get your shit fixed right the first time.
What the fuck holding this?
Y'all want?
Oh,
another zip
sheet
tie.
metal.
Oh shit, look, that's another one.
It's a sheet metal screw right here. Look, that's why it look like
It's
that.
another zip tie right there. Nigga done went shopping, a shopping spree at Home Depot. Bro, like, y'all spend all this money on these expensive ass cars, bro. Y'all act like it's cheap to get them fixed. But y'all gotta get these hoes fixed right, Jack. This is what happens. You know what I'm saying? Like, come on, man. You get your shit back, sensors, you know what I'm saying, sunk in, or whatever the case may be. You know what I'm saying? Man, that be orange peeled up. You know what I'm saying, bro? This is a $100,000 car, but that shit should be A1. You know what I'm saying? And shortcuts is not always the way. That's something we gotta learn early in life. Shortcuts is not always the way. Sometimes you're just gonna have to pay what the fuck it costs, or you're gonna get shit like that. You know what I'm saying? Like, come on, bro. This car is too, and this is actually a nice color. Y'all can't really see it, but that bitch got a gold pearl in it. But this is too nice of a car to be putting zip ties for your bumpers and shit. You know what I'm saying? Like, that shit crazy. What? Man, y'all gotta get it together. Anyway.
Here you go.
Yeah, man, we got sheet metal screws on here, man. Nigga done got the screws at the bottom of his bucket. And he was using to put up the wall at the crib.
That's a bucket for real.
Yeah, that's crazy. He didn't even hook you up with a self-tap. You know what I'm saying? God, oh, this self-tap. Damn.
I gotta cut this.
So then if we was niggas to put the zip tie back, then y'all gonna look at us. Oh, nigga, that hoe was already there. Yeah. Damn. That's crazy. Damn. That's crazy. Anyway, like I said, more of the story, y'all. When you buy this expensive ass shit, expensive ass maintenance come with this. That's what people don't like to know. That's why I like the V, cause nigga, I can change the oil and all that shit on that motherfucker. That shit gonna be goddamn $30, cause it's still a fucking Infiniti G35. This bitch, you gonna pay every penny for this motherfucker. Every time. I'm talking about from gas to Freon to nigga, don't matter. You gonna pay for that shit. So let that be a lesson to you. Pay what it cost the first time. Shit, cause now you gotta pay somebody else some kind of bands to fix all the fuck up that's fucked up on it. What? They did about this.
Nigga bought some screws, nigga. Shit. Bought. I don't even know if I can get this one.
Well, I knew they weren't gonna buy it. They buy rear body panel?
I doubt that.
You can't see from under there?
Shit, yeah, that's what I was saying. I doubt that from where this shit look like I'm under here.
Dun, dun, dun. Let's see.
This whole fucked up.
Let's see what this gonna look like. What y'all think it's gonna look like? What the fuck that nigga doing?
Soldering something?
With a lightsaber? That'll say zoom, zoom, zoom.
That bitch making some fucked up ass noise, man.
What?
Remote.
On?
You got it together. Turn it on.
What are we talking about?
Yeah.
Oh. Don't look that bad. Oh well, goddamn, I just. Oh shit. Okay, never mind. See, man. I'm gonna cut that out. So you'll try to look bro shit up. Nah, man, you know what I'm saying? Which is that side? Is that that?
All this shit in here, man. Look, man.
I don't see it. That's the vent.
I mean, it's the whole thing that still was crushed up. It's still fucked up.
Still crushed up. I don't know if nigga pulled it out. Nigga pulled that hoe out with some pliers.
Nigga, this whole need to be replaced, nigga. This whole.
Oh, man, that might be defective.
It is defective. Look how hard this hit.
Yeah. It's pretty bad, y'all. Y'all want us to fix shit like that because you don't curve? Hey, brother, we curve. We ain't gonna do that. That's different. They supposed to look like that. Not like that. Ooh, like Capo been chewing on that bit. Yeah, busting them down.
You paint it green with a red pinstripe.
One day.
Hey, you get that, what's the name there? That black wall with that red.
Put 4 Falcon emblems on
Instead
it.
of yellow.
Put 4 Falcon emblems on it.
Yeah, like balls with it be red, yeah. Yeah, hey, that'd be nice though, man. You know what I'm saying?
Every year this hoe is, that's how long this glass been in here. And then, it take all this to get the goddamn glass out. Oh, look, that mother popped up out there now.
Oh yeah, rusted.
Oh yeah, I know it. Damn, I ain't get to see, I ain't get to show off your muscles. Shit, they was in that hoe about to have a brain aneurysm around this hoe.
Fuck them. You do not want to break that little glass.
That must
It's
it.
about $400 must car worth. Alright, Jamie.
You said what?
Rah, 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 Jamie.
That shit crusty off in there.
Man, this is what hold your window on. Dang, man.
All that shit down there is what holds your window long. Damn.
You boys, them systems in these cars, man, I don't know how y'all windows be going through it. Woo! Be sitting right there and your shit say,
Something like this.
boom.
Yeah. Dude. That hoe bust
Man.
down Johnny.
Yeah, here you
Bust
go.
down Johnny.
Here you go, here you go. That's in your window. That's what's holding your window on right there.
Shit, that's in your window.
It is not supposed to sound like
I
that.
thought that supposed to be rubber.
It's supposed to be soft. Like booty, soft.
That's like hard booty.
Damn. That's that booty that's been damn, on that working out mode for 7 decades. Man, please wear your eye protector.
Yeah. Oh, we are OSHA.
Not approved.
Sometimes we after hours right now. So it's
After
alright.
hours for ocean.
Get my screwdriver after hours.
Alright.
Yeah, we've been needing it. I gotta take the door handle off.
Oh,
You wanna wait to the last minute, start doing doing shit. That's crazy. Yes, sir. Y'all see it, man. That's down. I'm gonna take these off tomorrow. So I'm gonna take off the inner panels and stuff like that. But yeah, trim off all that lights. Yeah, lights. I'm gonna get this off too. I got some what's the name, tools, the little plastic tools to get that off. Get the back off. You said what? Over there. bumper off. Yeah, man. I told you. We tear this shit down, man. I don't deal with them hard lines and shit, man. All crumb. This is what you niggas like to get. This is what we ain't dealing with. Yeah. Need that on these hard lines, man. Sad case, look, it's a sad case, man. Y'all need to be out here doing shit like that. That bad business. That bad business. Man, just spraying over these folks stuff like that. But it's all good. Look. But yeah, it's all good. Step 1 is down. Now we just wait for the primer to come in, and so we can start blocking something. Real talk, cause hope they start working on this too. Gang. For real. This need work too. Woo. Not almost there, y'all. Look. We got a couple spots we need to touch up, but for the most part, we almost there, man.
That's all off the speed. No light.
We almost there.
Bad bitches on my line. I don't give them much time. I'm just a Dallas star trying to shine. And I don't need a cosign. We just